Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, making some really good trades, and yep, we can see that Bitcoin once again not moving too much, back at 47,800, in my opinion, just trending sideways at the moment, basically waiting, on some news or, to see if we're going to play this pattern. Now we are in a bit of a descending triangle in my opinion with the support box right here at 46,000. I guess you could draw some trend lines here if you want, like, maybe it had some more touch points, or you could look at this scenario. Whoa, what's going on with my lines right now? I guess we'll draw a new one. Maybe draw it from, oh, why is it doing that? That's so weird. Trading views acting up. Maybe draw it from a point like this, right here. Wow, what's going on with my trading view? Why is it doing that? That's so weird. I don't know. Are you guys having this bug? This is happening live too. Anyways, maybe forming like a bit of a descending bearish channel right here. If we come back down, maybe we'll come back down to 45,139. But if we keep holding this as support, break up, maybe we'll break back up to 52,400. But I definitely, once again, want to see us break this downwards trend line and this yellow trend line right here, and then I'll be bullish once again. But for the time being, I'm just watching the markets, seeing what's happening. Right now, gold is actually at 1802, which is quite surprising. The rally we've had for gold, is inflation finally a problem, or are people finally starting to buy gold and sell dollars, or am I just dreaming? But yeah. We'll see what happens. Maybe the Omicron virus is getting worse and people are getting scared. That's where they're going back to inflation hedge assets, or sorry, safe haven assets. And right now we can see that on the daily time frame, Bitcoin printed an 8 right here. But on the smaller time frames, like on the 6 hour, you can see we have a red X, and I believe a red diamond, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there we go. We got a red diamond on the 8 hour. So that's not the greatest, but obviously, you can see the momentum waves have been getting closer and closer and closer. Maybe this is just winding up for a big move towards the upside. I could be wrong, but just exercise caution, guys. Once again, I want to reiterate, we still have that monthly red dot right here on Bitcoin with the 12 on the DBSI and a -1 on down here, so the move should maybe move towards the downside right here. We do move towards the negative numbers, and the larger time frames have a bigger depiction of where the price is going to be going in the longer term. But in the short term, you can see that on the daily time frame, it's not looking the greatest right now, especially with the money flow decreasing and the VWAP probably starting to come down as well. Stock market is actually acting up a little bit weird too, down to 35,800 right here. We can see that the Dow Jones getting a nice little rally to today, and then came back down to 38,800. And SP 500 was actually back up to its highs of 47.50 or 47.55, and then came back down to 46.64, which is actually a pretty big move in my opinion, down actually almost 2% now. But well, I mean, it's for an index, it's a good amount. But we're just gonna have to see what happens. Maybe we're gonna get some news tomorrow morning. Who knows? Just know that when sell-offs come and market corrections come, they come quick and they come without any notice. It's just people selling, trying to get out all at once. When everybody's trying to get out the door all at once, you get these big moves toward the downside. So let's just be careful, exercise some caution, watch the news, and yeah, keep an eye on gold and Bitcoin. Those are my bets right now on the for the time being. And yeah, well, let's just take a look at our hash ribbons, our long-term buy indicator and possibly sell indicator. We can see that they are once again inching closer, but this doesn't mean that we're going to capitulate and roll over, right? We've seen them get closer like this before, and right when you think that we've topped out, we make another high right here. So maybe we're going to go back up. Who knows? I'm not betting on it at the moment, but you never know, guys. You never know what the market has in for you, especially for Bitcoin, one of the most volatile assets in the world. So we're just gonna have to see. But yeah, once again, like I said before, we got you know, some big resistance coming in at these EMA ribbons at 50,800 now. As we get every day, as we get lower, these EMA ribbons, the daily EMA ribbons get lower and lower and lower until the, you know, until the point where they start to touch the price action. But yeah, well, just patience, guys. Patience is key. Hold on to what you have. Don't panic sell. You want to buy the dips and sell the pumps, right? Anyways, hopefully this information was useful for you guys. I'm gonna head to sleep now, and if you haven't already, you guys can check out the Crypto Mickey website and you have a chance of winning a Simba Chick NFT. So if you guys want to win one, you gotta purchase some Simba Chick gear. Anyways, thanks for supporting the channel, guys. We're almost at 7,000 subscribers. Once we get there, you know, we'll have another live stream, but the big giveaway is going to be at 10,000 subscribers, and we're going to give away $1,000 US once again. Anyways, thanks for your support, guys. You guys have been awesome. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.